some people think setting boundaries means building walls so high, even Spider-Man can't climb them. But here's the problem. Walls keep everyone out, even the good stuff. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, I once told a friend, I'm going to protect my peace. No one gets in. Within a week, I was sitting alone on a Friday night, watching reruns of a cooking show. And I don't even cook. That's when I realized maybe my boundaries were more like the Great Wall of China. Boundaries are healthy. They are like doors. You decide who and what comes in and what doesn't. Walls, on the other hand, don't have doors. They don't solve problems. They just keep you isolated. When we confuse the two, we stop communicating. We avoid conflict instead of resolving it. And we lose the chance to grow in a relationship. A boundary says, here's what's okay for me. And wall says, you are not getting anywhere near me. See the difference. I used to avoid tough conversations, thinking if I don't talk about it, it will go away. Spoiler alert, it didn't. What worked instead was calmly telling someone, this behavior doesn't work for me. Here's what I need instead. That's a boundary. Clear, kind, and still open to connection. And guess what? People respected it. My relationships became stronger because they knew where I stood and that I wasn't shutting them out. So, build boundaries, not walls. Keep the door there, sometimes locked, sometimes wide open, but always in your control. Because life is about connection, and you can't connect from behind a fortress. If this made you smile and think, hit like, share it with a friend who's building the Great Wall, and tell me in your comments, what's one boundary that changed your life? I believe in you. I love you. Till next time, keep smiling.